Well, hi there. This is going to be a little bit different video, but I like a variety on my channel. So I decided to do one that was kind of gross, but interesting. You see, today I went to Specs and I bought something that you can't just get anywhere. Maybe China or other foreign countries. This is what I got. This one is sour cream and onion crickets. I'm actually going to eat a couple of these in front of you. I also got, they're low in calories. I also got a salt and vinegar and a bacon and cheddar. I know it's gross, but other people around the world eat bugs. So I don't think it's going to hurt me. I'm sure they clean them somehow. And maybe it's a reliable source of protein. And I am doing keto, and there's no sugar, and there's no carbs. So we're going to give them a try. In other countries, this cuisine is considered a delicacy. So don't gross out too bad. Let's give these a try. All right, let's start with this one. I like bacon and cheese, and I eat a lot of bacon and cheese now that I've started my carb diet. Oh, look, they're in a little plastic bag. Let's see if we can get this open. Might have to go get my scissors or use my teeth. Let's see. Let me know what you would do down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I would appreciate it. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Okay, they fall apart. It's kind of like the butt part of it. Smell it. A delicacy, huh? Maybe we're missing out somewhere. Yeah, maybe the world knows something we don't over here in America. All right, here goes. It's okay, but bacon and cheese, no, it's not bacon and cheese. It's more like crunchy crickets. Ugh. I wouldn't recommend them. I mean, but I had a friend from China who thinks they're absolutely delicious. Okay, let's try. Maybe this one actually has a taste. That did not taste like bacon and cheese. So we're gonna go for the salt and vinegar. Surely this has a taste. Here we go. Have y'all ever tried it? Have you ever tried to eat a bug? A cricket? I mean, if we were starving and homeless, maybe we would know that crickets are edible. Probably have to dry them out like these are. Well, this one's tough to get into. Alright. I'm not going to eat big pieces of cricket. I doubt I'll come back and finish these bags. Not unless they actually start tasting good. Here's a whole cricket. You see it? Oops. It's hard to do. It's a cricket. Okay, this one smells a little salty and vinegary. Let's see what it's like. I taste the salt and vinegar. It's just that the texture's crunchy. It's just kind of a turn off knowing it's a bug. Okay. Ugh. Hold on. Okay, well, I'll try last one. So far, between the bacon and cheese and Salt and vinegar is actually was better. So far, excuse me. I know it's nothing to write home about. They're really not that good. Glad other people enjoy them. Poor crickets. Okay, Jiminy Cricket's in here somewhere. Sorry, Jiminy, but you're going down the hatch. Trash in there. This is my last one. Don't get too grossed out. And this one is, what was it? Sour cream and onion. Let's see if it really does smell like it and taste like it. Doesn't smell like it. Oh boy. Here we go. Okay. They're coming out of the back. Yuck. Ew. Okay, that's a good one. Let's get these back in the bag. All right, this is the last one. Thank God. All righty. Some people do anything to get noticed on YouTube. I need help, so yeah. Hope you're enjoying this. I know you would like to try one of these, wouldn't you? And here goes the last one, sour cream and onion. Excuse me, it's not that good. But I'll sure I'll live since other people have eaten them. I'm not the only one in the world, so please give me a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't. Anyways, give me your thoughts, and I'll get back to you soon. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.